What's going on, guys? Currently aka Capo, so in today's video we do cable management. Before going to the video, make sure you give a like, subscribe, share and comment down below, and also more to 2k subscribers and watch from start to finish. And let's get into it. So guys, in today's video we're gonna do some cable management. As you can see from the bottom there, you can see the cables hanging out. I'm gonna sort that out and clean my desk. I'll show you how to do it, and also I'm very close to 2k. I think it's less than 500 or something like that. So make sure you just subscribe because I'm up to 2k, and let's get into it. So guys, firstly I'm gonna move everything off my desk, and I'm gonna move the monitors off, the keyboard, mice, and everything. The PC is there in the corner. Everything off the desk, clean it up, and I'm gonna start doing the cable management. So let's get into it.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one. Only one. I was an ordinary boy until I broke the rules. My life destroyed. A life destroyed. Until I walk awake, scream my mind, I shout, the ground shakes. How much can I take? My mind will break. Will it break? Can I take? Can I be your superhero? Fly away. It's the first time of today. To dream, believe. You are the strength, you're all I need. Oh, gonna give it a shot. Only one of me to shield you all from the enemy. You're superhero.
Right now, I use antibacterial wipes and will go, but use any antibacterial wipes, don't use glucose.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one. Only one. I was an ordinary boy until I broke the rules. My life destroyed. A life destroyed.
So guys, right now I use this spray. So basically it will smell like lemon. I think this is, yeah, lemon on my desk. So yeah.
Until I walk awake, scream my mind, I shout, the ground shakes. How much can I take? My mind will break. Will it break? Can I take?
So guys, as you can see right here and here, what thing is that? The tape here, you can see the crease line of it. So I took all the tape off of the LED strip, and I'm gonna redo the tape on that. So let's do that right now.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one, only one. I was an ordinary boy until I broke the rules. My life destroyed, a life destroyed. Until I woke awake, scream my mind, I shout, the ground shakes. How much can I take? My mind will break. Will it break? Can I take? Can I be your superhero?
So guys, I was just putting the thingy on extensionally so you can hold on. So basically what I did, what are these called? They're called adhesive cable tie mines. Adhesive. I want to speak today. Adhesive. Yeah, I put that on the mine with the zip ties. I did that, so I'm gonna try to put all the plugs on. Let's see if it come down. If it comes down, I'll try to put another one on in the middle. If not, then I have to I'd have to, but first we'll put all the plugs on, and then I'm gonna put all the plugs on, and then I'm gonna start putting from one type of PC, everything here, and then I'll start doing the cable management. So I'm gonna do it right now, if that made sense. But so guys, right now just change the top because I'm standing right next to the heat, and the heat is on, and I had a hoodie on. But whilst I was praying, after I was praying, my dad said that use these cable clips for them as well, because I don't have enough of them. So I use these for use the camera. We put it there, bang camera in. So I'm gonna do that as well, because one got, I think, about 10 in there. I think this won't. So yeah. So let's get into it. And my nose is running still, by the way.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one, only one. I was an ordinary boy until I broke the rules. My life destroyed, a life destroyed. Until I woke awake, scream my mind, I shout, the ground shakes.
So guys, right now is day 2. Last night, around I think it's half an hour stuck because my parents went to sleep. I had to do the what's called the cable clips. So I did 1, 2, 3, 4. My 5th one yesterday for the extension lead, and I couldn't do it last night. So it's day 2. I have to do this in the next 2 hours, because at 3 o'clock I'm gonna record a YouTube video again for Saturday's video at 3. So I have to do this in 2 hours. I'm waiting for my battery to charge, so my camera. So I'm trying to do this quick as possible, and yeah, let's get into it.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one, only one. I was an ordinary boy until I broke the rules. My life destroyed, life destroyed. Until I walk awake, scream my mind, I shout, the ground shakes. How much can I take? My mind will break. Will it break? Can I take? Can I be your superhero? Superhero. Can I be your superhero? Superhero. Superhero. Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one, only one. I was an ordinary boy until I broke the rules. My life destroyed, life destroyed. Until I walk awake, scream my mind, I shout, the ground shakes. How much can I take? My mind will break. Will it break? Can I take?
So guys, right now I just finished doing caves management, and this was looking like. Hopefully you like the caves management I did.
Can I be your superhero? Superhero. Can I be your superhero? Superhero. Superhero.
Guys, that will do for today's video. Before I go, make sure you subscribe because it's almost at 2k. I think it was less than 500, but make sure you give a like, subscribe, share and comment down below. And also I'm up to 2k subscribers in Cricket aka Capo. Signing out.